Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session, we'll learn how to work with median, mode, and NPV functions in Excel. So let's get started. First, we have the median function, which returns the middle value in the data. The median is a type of average value which describes where the center of the data is located. Calculating the median manually requires that the data is sorted and arranged from low to high. This is not necessary using the median function, it does it for you. For example, let's consider this simple data which has numbers. So let's calculate median using this data. To do that, let's type is equals to median of A1 is to E1. Here we are calculating the median for first row, that is from A1 to E1. If you want, you can calculate for columns too. Now if we enter, it displays the result too because the middle value is 2 here. Next we have mode function. As we know that mode is a type of average value which describes where most of the data is located. The mode function is used to find the number seen most times. This function always returns a single number and return as is equals to mode.sngl. For example, I'm going to consider the same data to perform mode function. Let's click on A7 cell and type is equals to mode of A1 is to A6 and enter. It shows 5 because the repeated value here is 5. You can fill for the rest of the cells and check the results. Then we have NPV function, which is used to calculate the net present value. And the syntax for that is equals to NPV of rate, value 1, value 2 and more. Let's consider the simple data in which we have year and cash flow with respective year. For calculation reference, let's add discount rate here and let's take it as 10% and here NPV. Now to calculate NPV, type is equals to NPV of B9, which is referring to the 10% here, then comma B2 is to K2, the range referring to the cash flow. And now enter. It displays the result. This is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.